What's going on, guys? Jay the Black here. Shout out to everyone tuning in. I want to talk about this Tiger Woods story that I think is to me, is a bunch of do about nothing, and I'll tell you why. In regards to Tiger Woods, all right? Apparently, he dated a woman by the name of Erica Herman. That's her there. And apparently, she's trying to get out of this NDA that she signed with him. And I believe she's trying to get out of this NDA because she wants to make money off his name. I think it's very smart for these guys to make these women sign these NDAs, because why would you date somebody, break up with them, and then speak about them? Because that's exactly what she wants to do. You know, I think Erica feels like she didn't get enough from the relationship, and she feels like she's entitled to more. So she wants to get out of this NDA. And the reason why this story has gone viral is because she's now wants to use an assault clause to get out of her NDA. She's trying to make these claims against Tiger to get out of that NDA she signed. You know, this is what I'm talking about in regards to a lot of these women. This is a 39-year-old woman who probably don't have much going on. She feels like she's owed something. She feels like Tiger Woods owes her something. So what she wants to do is run to the media and try to make money off of Tiger Woods, because she obviously doesn't have anything else going on, that she is still trying to find a way to get something out of Tiger Woods. Now, this ain't the 2019 Tiger Woods that we're talking, no, the 2009 Tiger Woods that we are talking about. He ain't just going to be paying settlements. Right? That's why he has them signing NDAs. And maybe that's what she's looking for. It's amazing to me how these women still look to men to get something out of when they claim that they're strong and independent and they don't need a man. Yes, you do. That's why you're here trying to get money out of Tiger Woods. You're trying to get money out of Tiger Woods because you need it. All right? I don't know if you're struggling. I don't know what your situation is. But to me, this just shows you that a lot of these women can't move on with their lives. They really can't. But we're going to get into the details to get a clearer picture. Oh, let me say this too. When they were dating, this was the type of articles that we would see. How Erica Herman managed to tame Tiger Woods. And this was 2019. You know what I'm saying? I guess she didn't tame him enough, huh? So y'all trying to give her this. This in 2019. Y'all were trying to heap this praise on her for taming Tiger Woods, huh? Unbelievable. Let's get into this. Tiger Woods' ex-girlfriend Erica Herman is seeking to nullify an NDA the golf superstar made her sign when they were still dating. The entrepreneur, who's 39, cited two federal laws that allow NDAs to become null and void if harassment and assault claims arise, according to court documents obtained by Page 6 on Wednesday. The law are the Federal Ending Forced Arbitration of Assault and Harassment Act of 2021 and Speak Out Act. Herman has not publicly accused Woods of assault or harassment as of yet, but the golfer has openly admitted to struggles with, addiction in the past. Well, why is she using that clause to get out of her NDA if she has not made any claims? That's why I say this is a bunch of do about nothing. But the reason why I'm speaking on is because this story has gone viral. And whenever you use harassment and guys like Tiger Woods in the same sentence because you're trying to get out of your NDA because you feel like you're owed something, unless you have proof or you're making concrete allegations, I don't think you should be trying to do this, Erica. You're going to burn a bridge with Tiger Woods. Now, maybe she has tried to find ways to speak to Tiger. Maybe Tiger wants nothing to do with her. I mean, you're an entrepreneur, right? You should be a busy woman. Why are you concerning yourselves with trying to get out of this NDA? Why do you want out of this NDA? The former couple's first public sighting was at the President's Cup in September 2017, 1 month after Herman signed Woods' NDA. Herman notes in legal requests, however, that she is unsure whether Woods' NDA is valid or enforceable, so she is seeking clarity from the court. This heifer is trying to make money off Tiger Woods. I don't know if she's trying to write a book, she's trying to go on a reality TV show, but the point of an NDA is that you don't speak on your former partner. You don't speak on intimate details about him. Now, I'm pretty sure there's other things in as well, but I'm pretty sure that's why Tiger had you sign an NDA, and you happily signed that NDA because you wanted to be with Tiger Woods. Herman notes in legal requests, however, that she is unsure whether NDA. She also wants to know whether, if the NDA can indeed be enforced, she still has a right to speak out on the bevy of issues, including her own experiences, the experiences of her family members, information learned by people not covered by the NDA, and whether she can respond to statements Wood has made public or published about her. She added in the filing that she is unsure whether she may disclose, among other things, facts giving rise to various legal claims she believes she has. She is also currently unsure what other information about her own life she may discuss or with whom, the document also states. Herman did not specify which public statements or information she would like to address. However, the pair were previously involved in a highly publicized car accident which caused a fatality. In May of 2019, both Woods and Herman were hit with a wrongful death lawsuit filed by the parents of Nicholas Emmitsberger, is how I pronounce his name, who passed in a crash after drinking too much at the Woods Jupiter restaurant in Jupiter, Florida, which is owned by Woods and was managed by Herman. The family argued per court documents that their son, who worked as a bartender, was overserved at the golfer's establishment. But I don't think that that's on Tiger. I mean, it's on the people that would actually be working in that establishment. I can understand what the parents are saying, but I mean, if your son was getting drunk and getting behind the wheel of a car, I mean, I don't know how Tiger Woods could be at fault for that, but you know, you should have certain standards in your establishments, but you know. Woods was dismissed from the lawsuit in June of 2019, and Herman as well later that year. It is unclear when Herman and Woods called it quits, as their most recent sighting was a few weeks ago, per TMZ. Herman is seeking a trial by jury on all issues that are triable. The pro athlete was previously married to Elin Nordegren from 2004 to 2010. They have 2 children together. So, as I told y'all, man, she's trying to monetize this relationship, which is what it looks like. But there's more to this. There is actually more to this. Now, this is according to People magazine. It says Tiger Woods' ex says he owes her $30 million for locking her out of his home following their breakup. See, this is why she wants out of that NDA, because people are looking at her like she's crazy. So you putting it out here, you're trying to insinuate that he's harassing you. But now we're seeing that she claims that he owes her $30 million. See, this is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. It's always about the money with these women. Always. It says amid her breakup with the professional golfer, Erica Herman asked for a court to void a non-disclosure agreement she signed when they first began dating in 2017. She cited a law that allows NDAs to be nullified in cases of assault. But that didn't happen. I don't think Tiger Woods did that to her. Now, when court documents related to the lawsuit she filed just after their split in October has surfaced and obtained by People on Wednesday. In the filing, a defendant, Jupiter Island, the Homestead Trust, asked for Herman's lawsuit to be heard before an arbitrator. In her claims, Herman says that she had an oral agreement with the trust that allowed her to live at Wood's home for another 5 years. So she thought she was going to live there for 5 years, but it was an oral agreement. You didn't have anything in writing. That agreement was never solid. I don't know how you're going to win that in court. Lawyers for the trust argued that Herman was only allowed to live in the home while she was dating Tiger Woods. That seems more likely than what she's trying to make it seem. The 47-year-old athlete currently lives at the estate with his 2 children, whom he shares with his ex-wife, Evelyn Nordegren. Herman was told she had to move out after Woods ended their relationship back in October. Did she really think that she was going to break up with Tiger and live at one of his properties? Ms. Herman responded to the breakup by filing this lawsuit. The lawyer said Herman claims she's owed $30 million after the oral agreement was breached. When the trust employees locked her out of the residence, removed her personal belongings, and informed her that she could not return, Herman also said that she had more than $40,000 in cash that was misappropriated. Yeah, sure you did. Herman is suing for consequential monetary damages, in conjunctive relief, and attorney's fees under the Florida Residential Landlord Tenant Act per court documents. Representatives did not get back for comment. Well, you know, I'll make a comment. This heifer is crazy. This heifer is crazy. You made an oral agreement with the trust based off of Tiger allowing you to stay there while you're his girlfriend. Do you really think that he's gonna break up with you and have you staying there? Like, come on, man. This woman is out of her mind. Listen, you had an oral agreement. You didn't have anything in writing. You should have had a lawyer brought in, and they should have gotten something in writing, and they didn't. You got finessed by Tiger Woods. Tiger Woods finessed her. See, Tiger Woods learned a lot from 2009. Tiger Woods learned a lot. You know, he got embarrassed, but Tiger learned. Tiger learned a valuable lesson in 2009. One, he paid his ex-wife to go away so he wouldn't have to worry about, that whole situation anymore. Two, the way that Tiger Woods dealt with women is different now. Now he has them signing NDAs. He's not going to allow any of you heifers to get any money out of him ever again. This woman really went, and I believe she thinks she's a smart woman. You made an oral agreement to be able to stay at this property for 5 years, even if you're no longer with Tiger. And you actually believe that. You actually believe that. Tiger Woods made her sign an NDA. She's trying to get out of it. She ain't gonna get out of it. She made an oral agreement, but still got kicked out once the relationship was over. And now she's trying to figure out how she could monetize this situation. See, this is what happens when you chase the bag, and you chase the bag until you realize there's nothing in the bag. Tiger Woods learned a lot, man. And he's not going to let you heifers finesse him anymore. And again, I think she learned the value. I think now she's learning a lesson. I think Tiger Woods learned a lesson years ago. You can't let nobody finesse you. You get something in writing. You make a few promises here and there. But once that relationship is over, Tiger Woods don't owe you anything. So let me know in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. Like this video and share. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And I'll see y'all next one.